For a number of reasons, we are going to make this video entirely in English, since it's meant for different audience, let's say. So we are going to test this 5090 and this cable. This cable is a Corsair one. This was provided with the HX1200 power supply. It's an ATX 3.0 power supply, and it's going to be compared against this 2022 Cablemod cable. This one is the older one. I mean, we all know that the cables are the same. The V1 and the V2 are the same. What changes is the female connector right here. And now I'm going to demonstrate why this one is worse. First of all, I'm gonna say that this one has some problems, because we saw that some cables may reach 13, 14 amps, while some others they just sit at 6 amps. Okay, so let's start. Oh, the card is running at 575 watt, so that's 100% TDP. So the first one, that's 8.7. And then I've got the second one, that's 8.5. Third one, that's 8. Yeah, 8 amps. So this one, this is also about 8 amps. Yeah, actually it's more like 7.8. Then we have the following one, that's 8.1. Last one, it's about 8. What's this? 8. Okay, now we are going to test them in couples. So let's start from this one. So this first couple is 16. Yeah, 16. The second one is made by these two guys. These two. So that's 15.9. 16. Yeah, 16. And then the last one, 16.7, 16.8. Yeah, it can also reach 16.9. So now we're going to test all of them together. So here we go. So this is 49 amps. So in conclusion, I would highly recommend to buy one of these clamp meters, and test each conductor with your own specific cable. And if you see a situation like this one, then no problem. But if you see a situation like this one, where some conductors have literally double the current of others, then you should discard this cable. Okay, this is not acceptable. Before the cable burns, you probably need 20 amps, so you would need a very bad quality cable. Probably not this one, not this specific one, but for sure this is already unacceptable. This is what you are going to look for, this kind of variation across the cables. Okay,